Did you know? The TNPSC Group 4 results for 2024 are finally here. The Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission has just announced the results for the Group 4 Combined Civil Services Examination, conducted on June 9th, 2024. Candidates can now check their results and download their scorecards from the official TNPSC website, tnpsc.gov.in. Simply log in using your credentials. This year, the TNPSC has increased the number of vacancies to 8,932, including positions like Village Administrative Officer, Junior Assistant and Typist. Remember, only candidates who secured a minimum of 40% in the Tamil Eligibility Cum scoring test had their general studies and aptitude test evaluated. Stay updated and visit the official TNPSC website for further information regarding the next steps in the selection process. Congratulations to all those who have cleared the exam. Best of luck on your next steps. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.